Kushwaha, thanks very much for joining us here.
Thank you, ma'am.
We would just like to ask you a few questions. What are the kind of challenges and difficulties that you're currently facing in your ODC, OW movements in India today?
Basically, if you talk about it's the one lead time where it's getting delayed, like delivering of the material to destination, which is take a lot of time sometimes due to maybe some permissions, some government authorities limitations, and there is some route also. So these are the main factor nowadays, which taking delay to some assignments ODC concern. Second things is we are not having so much established route for waterways, where we have some limitations to reaching those destination. There's a few sites where we cannot have the easy access for the route, where you can take the heavy lift packages. There's a, like Orissa, there is some places. Example is one of the thermal size where we have some difficulties. But however, as Mr. Nitin said, Gadkari ji said, they are going to come up with some new waterways channels where they are also having Varanasi to Haldia and Delhi to Agra. So we are hoping in future it will be good, so much improve, and we are having lot of like basically you can say very less time in transit, because being the this web portal where we have to get the permissions online, they have transparency. Anybody can see, they can access who they are, the related stakeholders. They can monitor what is the status. They no need to visit the government agencies, government offices. So they can online watch. They can have their own action, which I do believe reduce the time and as well as the cost also.
So you're happy with the HTOA initiative that has been taken?
Yeah, obviously, actually it's a good platform where related stakeholders are came up with some their thought, their own problem. They are really talking to ministry, sharing their own views, what the difficulties they are facing. So it's a good opportunity. In fact, it's a very good initiative taken by the all team members of this group. Yes.
Do you think any further initiatives are required? What are the new steps that we should take as HTOA so that it can help your industry?
Maybe you can have some more studies about the heavy lift consignments, some good workshop where you can have the very what are the challenges coming up, and some related to more like you can say the basic things which need to to make the just like empowering the each people who they are in project, just exploring the knowledge of the industry so that everyone aware they get more rich in knowledge. So we can contribute to Indian growth in terms of project, and as well as their own growth.
Any message for HTOA?
All the best.
Thank you. Nice speaking to you, Gata.
Thank you, ma'am. Same here.